magic allows you to experience the impossible.
You're up. What was your card?
Ace of spades.
Ace of spades.
Every magic trick is a kind of experiment. Can I fool this person? Can I make something seem to disappear?
Magicians have clearly learned very powerful techniques to manipulate our mind.
Okay, so what was the number?
40?
Okay, perfect.
Are you serious? Okay.
And in psychology, for a lot of these, we have no idea why they work.
Your task is to solve this puzzle and try to see through the magic trick.
Now, magicians are sharing their powerful techniques with scientists. The results will amaze you.
Hi, I'm Julie, and that's not the first time I've appeared out of thin air. I'm a magician, and so is my father, and he was pulling me out of a hat long before I could walk. But now something new is happening. Scientists are inviting magicians into their labs. And after all, why wouldn't they? For thousands of years, magicians have been developing ways of making things appear and disappear. Let's show you a little experiment. I have 5 cards. I want you to zero in on one of them. Just get the suit and the value. Got it? Okay, keep it in mind. I think I have it. Watch. Your card has disappeared.
Now, magicians, they don't have supernatural power.